Today we're going to show you how to change the surface burner switch on your range. Really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and maybe a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is disconnect the power to the range. If it has a cord on it, simply unplug it from the receptacle. If it's a hardwired range, we'll need to locate the breakers and turn those off. Next, we'll want to pull the range out far enough that you have access to get in behind it. Now the next step is remove the knob. Remove the 2 Phillips screws that hold the control to the backsplash. Keep those handy. Next, with a 1/4-inch nut driver, we'll remove 6 screws in the upper portion of the back panel, 3 along each side, and then there's one remaining one on the top that goes through a little mounting bracket. Just tilt the little mounting bracket out. Now we have access to the control. Now we can just slide the old control out the back. Now we'll replace wire for wire to the new control. If the terminals are a little tight, use a pair of needle nose pliers. Pull on the terminal only. Inspect each of these wires before you install them on the new control. Make sure that there's no signs of any corrosion or overheating. If there's any evidence of that, you'll need to replace those wire terminals before you connect them to the new control. Remove the old control and discard it. Mount the new one in its place, in the same position, and we'll secure it with the 2 Phillips screws through the front. Now we're ready to put the back panel back on. We'll start with the screw that goes through the mounting bracket on the top. I'll hold it in place. And take caution that you don't over tighten the screws in the back panel because we don't want it to strip any of these screw openings. Next, we'll replace the knob. We'll reconnect the power and then test our burner, and our repair is complete.